I think
Wow.
without much further
Oh,
ado,
yes.
I have to do this. I'm so excited. I am so
Oh my God.
excited that I would use a pair of scissors. So, ladies and gentlemen, we are just uh, launching Swati's inaugural book. She is debuting as an author, and it's my pleasure to introduce to you the. Hey, listen, is it possible? Maybe, see, they have sent me this. Maybe some other book is there in it. Maybe. You know, hey, it's a pack to
Gilbert's
another.
principle.
Publisher says, "Arey book, arey galat book bheja kya?" Let's find out, huh? Let's find out. You tell me if it's your book, okay? All right.
That
So
is
so we're just ripping open the cross. I love the crossword package. I think it's your book. We've gotten it right because I can
my
see your face.
God.
It's my absolute pleasure to release The Secret Sauce is You, being your own mate. Swati Sharma. This is
Oh,
beautiful.
I'm back. I'm back.
To Dad in heaven, to Mom on earth, and you both in my blood. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. You both are and will always be not just my bloodline, but my lifeline. This book is an ode to your tenacity, sincerity, and your eternal, unconditional, and all powerful, infinite love for each other and me. Mom and Dad, I'm so proud of you. Thank you for showing me what real love is. Love you both to Pluto and back. So, what if Pluto has been dropped as a planet? Love it. And a special note of gratitude to the power of infinity, to my man friend, the universe. Thank you for watching my back. Thank you for bringing my purpose in life to fruition. Swati Sharma, I am honored to release your book. Really honored in front of this august audience. Please share what is it that you're feeling right now.
As I want to share that I never really had any. I'm a very simple girl. I never really had any big dream. But and also when I discovered my calling and all that, what happened with me, there was just one simple thing that I wanted, uh, and it came from within me that I want to write a book. I want to write a book. And everybody, my tribe, people very closest to me, and every time I used to be 90% of my conversations were about this book. ये भी नहीं था that I want to publish it or launch it, but I want to write a book. I want to write this book. And that's why it took me 3 years, because 1 year I edited, for 1 year I ruthlessly kept on, 1 year I wrote it, 1 year I ruthlessly kept on editing it because I'm very critical of myself. So I'm learning to be more kind to me. And so this is like, this moment is, I think, sir, they say that when we die, in front of our eyes, there is a flashback of all the most momentous moments in our lives. I think this moment is going to be that time that one. I think it is going to take the maximum seconds in that reel. When I die, this moment will be there as a flashback. So thank you for launching my book and releasing my book. Thank you.
So, Swati, here is a thought which just came to my mind. This moment is more than this moment. This moment is an interesting milestone of your life. This moment is a logical extension of what all you have gone through in life. For me, when we have moments like this, it makes me embrace those things too, which I did not like, because they are indelibly part of this moment. So, as each one of us who are watching this and who are, yes, Mohammad Afaq, you're there, Ayush Trivedi, you're there, Ayushi Agarwal, you're there, and so Venkatesh Ram are there. So many people who are there. In the midst of all these people, today, each one of us is celebrating. There's so many things that have happened in our life. So many things, some of them we liked, some of them we didn't. But we realize that how will it be if we can actually embrace and include each one of those moments and emotionally channelize them into something so precious as this. So I don't know if anybody's taking a screenshot, but I would love you all to take a screenshot of this moment wherever you are.
Yes, please.
Because
Yeah,
for
and
me,
yeah,
it's a precious moment. This is truly a precious moment, and I'm very happy that and honored that each one of us has taken time. Each one of us has taken time to be here on this happy occasion for another human being. In this entire period, a lot of things have happened, and people are upset and hurt and maimed.
yes.
As we celebrate a victory, we are actually letting a part of us know that victory is never far from us. We just have to keep walking towards it. Your final words, Swati, and then we'll invite Harshil over. We're hearing a lot
Sure,
of.
sure.
Rita Fernandez Perasa writes, "Congratulations, Swati. Wishing you great success ahead. Love your spirit. You're amazing and so very bubbly. Love and blessings." Wow. Thank you, Teresa.
Thank you, Teresa. Thank you. There was one comment. Yeah, this comment from Mark Bradbury.
Hmm.
It says the serving in the Australian Defence Force, suffering from PTSD, so hitting the verge of hopelessness and despair in my lowest self. I've already tried to end my life. Feeling you are worthless and I wasn't needed, so I hang myself unsuccessfully. I'm glad, Mark, that was unsuccessful. I want to tell you, Mark. First of all, I want you to definitely. I don't say this, and I never thought that I'll say this, but I definitely want you to grab the secret sauce is you. I want you to know that today I'm saying it live. I want you to know that you matter. And like as Ashish sir said, jab tak, from till the time that you are breathing in and breathing out, there is a reason why you are here, Mark. And you will never let any of that such thought come to your head again. You will not give up. You are a rock star. And the fact that you are sharing it openly here, it takes a lot of strength to do that, Mark. You will not give up. Ever, ever. You will just not give up. And I want you to be the light of hope, in fact, in other people's life one day. Big hug to you, Mark Bradbury. Yeah. So would you like to say something to Mark? I would request you to
You
please
said
say
it.
something to Mark.
You said it. Not just Mark, everyone. Just please get it. Including me, including you, each one of us, we go through stuff. Really, it seems unsurmountable. You feel like it's the end. The very fact that you're around your friend, there's something else. As we say in Hindi, picture abhi baki hai. There's still the second half left in our life, dear
Yeah.
friend. Okay? So please get that. Everything at the PTSD is a diagnosis that has you've been diagnosed with that. Got it. But what you do with it is up to you, my friend. All right. So
Beautiful.
please write the victory story. I promise you, a victory story after PTSD is what the world needs. A victory story after that. People need a victory story after the stuff that Swati went through. People need to hear victory stories. So even as Swati has written this book, each one of us is the author of our life. So they may have diagnosed us with whatever. Let's give each other hope. Let's engage in conversations in which we can take people further ahead and make them realize that the second half, the rest of the film, the rest of the life is going to be written by us, in spite of what we have been diagnosed with. So, thank
Yes,
you, Swati. Yes.
I just like to thank Sir. Definitely, I want to say some thanks to some key people in my life. First of all, sir, in my book, in acknowledgements, wherein people thank people, I have thanked. I have written in acknowledgements. I've written that I've just written two words. There are three actually. I'll tell you the third one as well. It says Mr. Past and Miss Adversity. And of course, my own mate, my inner voice, because of whom I'm alive today. And why I said Mr. Past and Miss Adversity is because I am right now here because of my past. My past made me, and I want the world to know this, that embrace your past. You are what who you are because of your past, and I'm mighty proud of my past. And Miss Adversity, I said, I strongly believe that adversity is the best university, and this book is exactly that university. And one interesting thing is that nothing reveals your character than adversity. Only adversity is the real test of your character.
Nothing, yes, I get that. Nothing does it better than adversity. Okay, even your
Yes,
candor as well as your character. Everything. And how do you manage to do it? This is
absolutely,
awesome. And we are getting some amazing
absolutely.
comments. Ashok Goswami writes, Mark Bradbury, great, keep it up. All right. PJ
Yes,
Sridharan says, each one of us is the author of life. Yes, yes, my friend, each one. And let's
thank you.
let's
Oh,
actually start authoring ourselves and really be at the source of it. I would love
I
you to kind of have a mention of your publisher and Crossword,
yes,
whatever you want
yes.
to say to that, please.
Yes, and I also, yes, before I come to that, I want to thank my roots, my father, definitely, because of, I think, if I say, actually, he's the real seed or the genesis of this book. So, and I know there are celebrations happening in heaven today, and I strongly feel that he very meticulously orchestrates each moment in my life. In fact, he's the one who also ensures that who comes in my life and who goes out of my life. And thank you, Dad. Big hug, and thanks to my mother. Sir, she has been at the receiving end of how many times I changed the title and etc. and whatnot. Mama, I am sorry if I've made any mistakes, and I love you. And thank you so much. Aapko shat shat pranam, and thank you so very much. I love you. Thank you for bringing me to this world. And my sisters, Madhvi Didi, Shalini Didi, they are both my wings, right and left. And my brother-in-laws, Shashank Jiju and Manish Jiju, they both are the wind beneath these wings. And the Bacha party, Divya, Ananya, Chetan, and Pari, Ananya and Ansh, and all my friends. Now you all know why I always said no to those parties and late nights and etc. etc. I hope you now know that it was my passion, which is an antidote to your pain. I was dealing with that and hence creating this. All my friends and tribe who have always been with me, thank you so much. All the organizations I worked with, both educational and professional, thank you everyone who's understood me and understood my silence as well. And also, last but not the least, I want to thank all those who said no to me, all those who did not help me, all those who shut the door for me, because that works as fuel for me. So thank you for the fuel. At rock bottom, your naysayers add fuel. So I get really fueled up. Someone has to say no to me, and my intent and resolve to do something becomes 100 times. So thank you for the fuel. And I also want to thank the universe, my man friend. I don't call him my boyfriend, I call him my man friend, for watching my back. And last but not the least, I know I'm saying it again, this home, I call it Swaraj. It's an eponym, sir, from my name, SWA, and RAJ from dad's name. This house has been a silent spectator of my journey from being a wax statue into a gilded crucible that I am today. And thank you so much for gracing this occasion, for being a part of the most memorable moment of my life. Thank you. And thank you everyone for watching it.
Thank you, everybody.